Good evening, everyone. I am Bhargav. I work as a cybersecurity engineer exploiters, and today I have created a password manager with my friends Taha and Upahar. So it is a password manager which is created with Python and Kinter, and we have implemented NIST SP863B, which is focused on how long should passwords be, should we use phrases, and what should be the minimum character length of the password. Now, some of the features that we have are it has a password vault where you can save your passwords. Moreover, it is a password generator. We have passphrase generator because NIST focuses on using passphrases. So also we have created a manual password generator. We have added the password strength checker, which checks that how strong is your password. Moreover, we also have added a new functionality which will check that what would be the time that it will require to check the brute force, or the time that will be taken to crack the password. Now, some of the references that we have taken from NIST is that we have added that NIST encourages to use passphrases when you create your passwords, and these are some of the security implementation that we have added about data encryption, random generation, and it can be done directly using Python. So let me show you the MVP, and you can have a look at our GitHub repository. Moreover, here we go. Here's the MVP. So here's a password vault. You can add any password. For example, you can add Google here, and you can add any username that, for example, and you can add any password, right? So once you add your password, you can see that the password is very weak. This is the admin, this is the name of the website where I have saved my password. And also in the password generator here, you can create a password of any length you want. You can add this option as well. Also, we have a passphrase generator where you can add a number of words. You can add a separator like a slash, or maybe any character. I don't know, you can add anything you want. It's up to you. So it will create a passphrase accordingly. Moreover, in this manual generator, you can add any random password. For example, hacking. So it can be randomly changed as well. Moreover, we have a strength generator. For example, if I created a password hacking at the rate 0558, for instance, it can show that it is strong password. Or you can also check the brute force. For example, if I write having is fun at the rate 0558, so it can show you the time it will take to brute force this password. Also, we have added a NIST guidelines, so like what are the best characters, so what are the best practices of NIST. So the minimum length of the password should be 8 characters. NIST also focuses on using passphrases. Moreover, it doesn't matter how long your password is it the best practice is to focus on making the password that you can remember, so that if you forget a password, then it can be hard to recover until you have added something like multi-factor authentication, something like that. So yeah, that's all we have added. Thank you so much for your time.